day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, we have this box. Let's go! Okay, so we have a package that has been misrouted to Manila. And this is from YT Express. Your expectation, our mission. YTO Express. Anyway, so this one is a purchase of mine from Shopee, one of the online stores in the country. And this is not Heroclix. This is anime. Okay, so and I dedicate this video to my lonely drivers Facebook Messenger group. Okay, they are my university peers. Okay, my very close friends. Lyndon, Miguel, Paolo, Rex, Edric, Delo, okay, etc. Even Anthony. Okay, so this one is for you guys, and you already know. You should know what we're going to have, and we have a thing. This particular car, which is still hidden. Okay. Oh, you see that? Okay, and you see this number. Okay, 1:28 scale of AE86 diecast model. And for the lonely drivers, this is known as the car of Takumi Fujiwara from Initial D. So let's open it up. So I am an avid fan of anime. I watch a lot of anime, and one of the best ones I would say that I've watched way back is the Initial D series. Okay, so it's about this unassuming guy, Takumi, who is a great drifter driver. Okay. I don't think this doesn't look like Takumi. But the car itself, I don't read Japanese, but this is the Fujiwara Tofu Shop. Okay, so you can see the car here. Okay. Oh, so this guy should go under it. Okay, can we open it? So we'll probably get our hands on some way to open this one. Okay, so let's snap. Okay, so we have here a screwdriver so we can finally unlock the car. But before that, we have to look at some Heroclix figures that are cars. Specifically, we have the Dune Buggy and Tony Stark's car. Okay, I was hoping that some of this would get a legacy from the Wheels of Vengeance set, but unfortunately they did not. But it's still worthwhile to keep vehicles in your Heroclix collection. The Dune Buggy is from the AI set. Okay, it is you can see a 2x2 base. Okay, and has the vehicle keyword. Okay, there. Okay, so and it has a special movement power, beach combing charge. When Dune Buggy uses it, if Dune Buggy is adjacent to a square of water terrain, modify speed +2. That's good. And special attack power. Dude, the horn is stuck. All other characters within 4 squares modify attack -1. Really strong. And a special, what do you call that? Defense power. It's conk out. Stop. When this click is revealed, KO Dune Buggy, but leave it in its square. Turn Dune Buggy to click number 14, and it's now a special terrain. So you can pause the video if you want to read all of this long text. Okay, the special terrain grants it that all other characters within 4 squares modify attack -1. Okay, so just like the special attack power. Okay, so passenger 1 for Dune Buggy 30 or 5 points for that special terrain. So perhaps even good for Silver Age. And the other one, we have Tony Stark's car, okay, from AI set, Avengers Infinity. Okay, you can see it's a very high-tech car, flying car. Stark Industries and vehicle keywords. Ito sa pilot trait ability. It's my car after all. Prerequisite, character name Iron Man or Tony Stark. Shape change. Very subtle. Tony is the second trait. When an attack misses Tony Stark's car, roll a d6, 5 to 6, remove an action token from it. And a special defense power, it's still rolling. Stop. When this click is revealed, KO Tony Stark's car, but leave it in its square. It becomes roll a d6, turn Tony Stark's car onto the blue click number equal to the result, and it's now a special terrain. And a special damage power, have to time this move just right. When Tony Stark's car carries one or more characters during a costed action, after resolutions, roll a d6. 5 to 6, one carried characters may be given a costed action this turn, which is strong, being able to carry and someone and possibly having do a costed action. Okay, so again, these are all the texts. Okay, and the special terrain has a trait, it's still rolling, use it as cover. Adjacent friendly characters can use energy shield deflection. Okay, so very, very strong. As I said, you'll be surprised how powerful this now can be. Okay, so because there's a lot of push now in WizKids for Silver Age. Okay, but enough of that. Let's go back to our die-cast model. Let's take a look at the box. No other special information. Okay, you can read that if you want. Okay, and let's go ahead and unwind it. So if you've watched the Initial D series, please share in the comments, okay, what was your favorite match in the series. Okay, my favorite match will always be the gum tape match, okay, wherein the participants would have to duct tape their arm in the, what you call this, in the manibela. Okay, and that would be a very scary match, I guess, and because of the limited movement of your arms. Okay, so we have removed him. Okay, so this goes down here. Okay, so this is not Takumi. Okay, I don't know, there might be another anime that might have used the same car, but for me, it's always going to be Takumi's car. Okay, and then here it is. Okay, so it goes down. Unfortunately, the lights that it also goes down. You see, there. Okay, because the ultimate technique of Takumi is that he will close all the lights. Okay, that way the opponents will not be able to track him tailing them. Okay, so it does not close so well. Okay, there's an instruction here. Third gear switch. Okay, I don't know what that means. Okay, but I just turned it on. There! It's lighting. Ooh, I like it. So you'll be surprised. This car is tailing you, and then all of a sudden, boom! All the lights will be off, and then he will overtake. Okay, so Initial D, and it has sound. Okay, I did not expect such detail for this car. I know the price of this is not so expensive, but I like it. I like all of these tiny sounds, tiny whatnot additions. Okay, so I can remember two moments. The first one is when Takumi's friend bought a similar car, the AE85. And then he was upset because he thought it was the A8, an 88, an A86. But Takumi drove that A85 and Hachiroko, and just maximized it. So Izumi, I think, is the name of the best friend, was so fell in love with his car afterwards. Okay, and talking about Izumi, the second instance would be when Izumi, I would say, his love interest in the show. Okay, we found out that his love interest had another love interest, not him, so unrequited love. So poor guy. He's funny. He's relatable. So when we were young, we had a laugh about that situation. Okay, so Takumi also had a terrible love life, or his love life. His girl is, how would I say it? His girl had a sugar daddy, or has a sugar daddy, and can get out of the situation, I guess. So yeah, so subtle, adult, mature themes going on in the show. Okay, but overall, it's a nice race show, race anime. Okay, so I give it a shot if you haven't watched it, guys. So all about drifting, all about car racing, and all about epicness. Okay. So until that time, be careful when you see it in the road. This Trueno AE 86 Hachiko. Okay. Bye bye.